Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0x8007139f on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now, how would you run the Windows Update Troubleshooter? Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, and then go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. The next solution is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to disable or uninstall third-party security software products. Now, how would you do that? So, right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left-hand side, select Installed Apps. Now, I usually select it as Date Installed, but you can choose whatever is convenient for you. Now, click on Uninstall corresponding to any third-party security software. I don't have any, so I'm showing it on a different one. Select Uninstall. And the last solution is to reset Windows Update components. How would you do that? We have a script for you and I'll share the script in the description section of the video. Simply copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. It will do the job for you. This will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the profile for Windows Update. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and catroot 2 folders. It will re-register all DLLs and then it will reset WinSock and finally restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.